In this video, I show you how to install Google Play Store on Windows. You can install Google Play Store on any Windows you want, like Windows 10, 11, or 7. It is the easiest method. Open your favorite browser, type here Google Play Store download, hit enter. Open this first link. You don't need to install any app on your system. Just click in this three dot, scroll down, come here, save and share, click create shortcut. Make sure to check this option, open as window, click on create. You will get this pop-up. Okay, now we have here Play Store shortcut. In this step, again, open your browser, open new tab, type here SmartGaga, then hit enter. It is the best method that you can run your Android app on Windows. Click here, click on download, scroll down, click any of them you want. It is for Android 4, it is for Android 7. I think to install Android 7 is better. Click here. The download has been started. It will take a few moments to download this file. This file is 287 megabit. It is done. Minimize your browser, open this PC, open download. Here is SmartGaga. Double click on SmartGaga, click on yes, click on next, agree, install, click on finish. Now the SmartGaga will run for you. Wait a few seconds. Here we have different options like full screen, keyboard, APK, sound, and also screen capture. You can use this option also. In this step, open Google Play Store. Type here your favorite app, any app you want. For example, I want to install one car game or anything you want, any game or any app you want. Just right click, then click on copy link address. But I want to download one small software like calculator. I want to download this calculator. Right click, click on copy link address, open your browser, open new tab, type here APKPure. Open this first link. In APKPure, here we have search, right click, paste your favorite app links, click on search. Downloading APK, this calculator with this calculator are the same. Click on download APK, scroll down, here is download APK, click here. Okay, it is done. In this step, click on APK. On download folder, we have 2 or 3 APK files. Now click on file name. Search your favorite app you download. For example, we download calculator, we download car game. If you want to launch any of them, just select the name, then click on open. Now it is start. We install calculator. Look here, it is calculator. Again, we want to install other apps or other game. Click on APK. Search here the name. For example, we want to install the car games. Select, click on open. It is start to install. Look, like this you can install any game or any apps you want. Guys, in this step, don't forget to like this video. If you are new here, subscribe the channel for more useful content. Launch your apps. Now you can play.